Hi, I'm Aishwarya. This video is part of CS 5610 Web Development course at Northeastern University. The goal of the video is to demonstrate my portfolio website that I built with plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No other libraries were used. I spent some time implementing some CSS animations and JavaScript interactions into it to bring some creativity, some personality, and hopefully keep it as my official portfolio in the future. So let's get started. This is the landing page, and here you can see the logo, and here you can see the icon as well. And they were built with favicon. And the color palette, I tried combinations and finally decided on this. I used Palette Maker website to try out multiple combinations. So when you go to the home page, you can see a soft transition that happens to keep it visually appealing, and then a greeting, my portrait, this is me, and a small typewriter animation here that just gives a little bit information about me. And on hover of my portrait, you can see that it tilts a little bit and three icons pop out. The first one is projects, then skills, and then contact. These three are the different sections of the home page. So when you hover over an icon, it highlights a little bit, and then when you click on it, it smoothly transitions to that particular section. And the project section, I built this as a simple carousel feature using JavaScript. And each project card on hover, you can see that it lifts up a little bit with a bit of a box shadow so that you can see that it is currently being highlighted. And the carousel, the arrows take us in both the directions, and you can see the dots get updated as well. And when you click on each project card, it will take you to the corresponding section in the projects page, which we'll get into later. The next section is to show my skills, and I tried to simulate a boba cup with boba pearls being filled into it. So when you click, and here you have a hint that says click to spill and hover to explore. So you follow that, you click on it, the boba pearls get scattered, and each pearl will just basically give some information about the different skill set that I have. For example, this shows the different languages I know, the different architectures I've worked with, the different messaging systems I've implemented, etc. And when you click back into the cup, all the pearls fall back into place. And there's also an audio attached to it that you will hear in the actual site, which to simulate like a liquid splash sound. The next section is a simple contact section, a greeting and three links. One email, my LinkedIn, and my GitHub repository. With the email, when you click on it, it opens up your default email app, and the other two links will take you to the respective page in the browser. That's about the home page. And let's get back into the project section. And this will lead us to our next page, which is the projects page. This page currently just shows the couple of self-assessments that I did part of the coursework. Some information about it. The actual site is visible here as a GIF, and two links as buttons here. So one is for the live demo. When you click on it, it will take you to the actual site, and the GitHub link will take you to the code repository. Same for the next project as well, and that's about it. The next page is the About page. This is completely AI generated. I had the basic idea and template in mind, and uh, the features to implement, and I got the code completely generated for this. So this is me, a portrait, some information about me, and then this tells you this next section is my journey, the timeline of my complete career until now. So as you can see, currently I'm doing my master's in computer science at Northeastern University, and before that I worked at PayPal and Walmart back in India. And it also gives some information about what I actually did there. So as you scroll down, the cards will come into view. That is about the about page, and the footer here will take us back to the home page if needed. Yes. The other two links in the nav bar, as you can see, are my LinkedIn and my resume. It will directly take you to my LinkedIn page, and the resume is a PDF that you can download in the browser. I try to keep all the necessary information about me directly in the nav bar. So if you don't have time, you just need to get to my contact and my details. It is already available in the nav bar. And but if you do have time, you can spend some time in the site and interact and get to know what I've done and my skills, etc. I also try to keep the website responsive in multiple devices. So here you can see Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So it is responsible in a mobile device. And here you can see the navbar has changed shape and become a hamburger icon. So when you click on it, the navbar opens up, and here it will take us to different pages if needed. And the layout has also completely has changed up a little bit in order to accommodate different devices. So for the mobile, you can see that the arrow marks are not visible anymore, and we can just scroll it directly using the native mobile scroll option. So yes, that is about the site. Please do let me know if there are any other suggestions that I can implement in the future. Thank you so much.